Beautiful morning, Destin, Florida. And try and enjoy this weather a little bit. Try to take advantage of a break in the rain. It's been nothing but rainy and cold for the last month and a half. We finally got some nice weather today. The rain's over and it's gonna be a beautiful day, beautiful week. Just got the new GoPro Hero 9, so testing it out a little bit. Excited to try it out. A lot of people out walking, a lot of people riding bikes today. I'll take it out to the road right now. A little bit of water standing over there. Get around these people and then get back on the bike path. Water looks beautiful this morning. One nice thing about the Super 73 is when the bike path is a little bit overcrowded, you can just hop on the road, get around them, keep going. I actually really enjoy riding on the bike path, I think just as much as the road, just because I like pedaling the lower speeds. Right now there's a lot of snowbirds in town where we live, and they always give you funny looks when you're riding on the bike path. Like, hey, that motorcycle's not supposed to be on the bike path. Morning. I was having a weird clicking noise, like a popping noise in my chain yesterday. I rode it the day before and I didn't have any noise. And then yesterday, whether I was pedaling in forward or reverse, it was a nice crop top, by the way. Whether I was pedaling in forward or in reverse, it was making this weird popping sound, but it was not making that noise whenever I was using the throttle. So I messed around with the derailleur, and it sounded like the clicking wasn't really coming from the derailleur. I'm not really sure what the clicking was coming from. It sounded like inside the hub a little bit, maybe. But that was yesterday, and today got it out and not making that noise anymore. So don't know how it resolved itself, but something happened to where it is now working. Like I said, this is the first nice day we've had in a long time, and I think everybody is out trying to take advantage of this weather. But it doesn't sound like my chain is making that popping and clicking sound anymore, so I'm happy about that. Kind of like taking the bike path on my way out, and then usually like taking the road on the way back. Speed limit over here is about 30 miles per hour, so I'm usually able to keep up with traffic pretty good. Take you guys through this little tunnel here. Go across the street over to the beach side so we can see how the beach looks this morning. Oh, it's beautiful this morning. The water looks pretty. Yes, I realize I'm going the wrong way down a one-way parking lot, but I'm on a bike, so I can get over it. Out here real quick just so you can see the white sand, pretty water. Oh yeah, it's beautiful this morning. This is the best weather we've had in a long time. We're in the Panhandle of Florida, and believe it or not, it actually gets pretty cold up here at this time of year. It gets pretty chilly in the winter, so I can't imagine what it's like to live up north and have to ride a bike in the winter. If it gets below 60, I'm not riding. So, a little bit of a wuss, I guess. Alright guys, I had to stop, get a couple quick photos of the beach, but we are back in business now, so we're gonna head back where we came from. By the way, if you can't tell, riding a Super 73 S2 in Hudson Blue. I've had it since back in November. Funny story. I was on Super 73's website looking to see where the nearest dealer was, just out of curiosity. I know there's not a ton of them around. You know, just so new, and there's not a lot of dealers yet. But I was looking on their website, and I clicked on dealers, and I saw there was one somewhere in the southeast close to where I live, relatively close. I clicked on the map to zoom in, and I was like, oh wow, this looks like it's, you know, within a half a day's drive of me. And so I kept zooming in, and I was like, this is really close to me. Thank you though. Kept zooming in, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is right across the street from where I live. So I was actually able to go over there and just buy it that day and ride home with it. I keep hearing where a lot of you guys are buying your Super 73 online, and it's taken 3+ months to get it. One of my buddies ordered one back in August, I believe, and it took him until about November to get his. So they are taking quite a while, it seems. So I was pretty happy I was just able to go to the dealer right across the street from my house and pick one up. Had no idea that he even sold them. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, the speed limit out here is 30 miles per hour. And as you could see, we were able to keep up with traffic just fine. see if you guys can see the beach a little bit better. If you guys have never been to Destin, Florida, or Miramar Beach area, I highly recommend it. The beaches and the water are unlike anywhere else in the world. The beaches are like white sugar sand and the water is a beautiful emerald green color. It's where we get the name the Emerald Coast from. But I would highly recommend coming here. It's an awesome little small town. Super popular tourist area. Alright guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for today. Thanks for going along on my little ride of my little beach town. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, like it, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.